Okay, in order to create a dashboard, you need to have at least 3 worksheets, all right? The first one, and I actually have it down here called Gradebook. I'm going to change it to, well, we'll leave it at Gradebook, but you need a data sheet. Second sheet is going to be one of calculations, and I don't need this. I'm just going to delete that real quick, sorry. So we're going to call this sheet Calc, and then we need another one that is going to be the dashboard. And I'm going to reorganize. Whoops, I don't want this one. Delete. I'm going to move the dashboard to the front. Calculations second. All right, so these don't have anything on them. We have all our data back here. All right. So the theory is that you put all of the data on one page, then you do all of your calculations on one screen, and then you have all of that show up on the dashboard. So the first thing I want to do is take all of this, Control X, I'm just cutting out these calculations, and I'm just going to pop it in over here. All right, and I'm going to title this number grade. All right, and actually it's kind of long, but that's okay. Whoops, didn't want to do that. Let's undo that. And why don't we wrap this text just to make this a little bit easier and pull it down just a little. There we go, number of each grade. And this will be term 1, term 2, actually what is it? Term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, term 3, whoops, term 4, sem 2, final, and year. All right, and then we'll have number of each progress report. Whoops. Each progress report, and I'm going to wrap that. Oops, got to get out of here. Wrap that text again, and I'm just going to copy this over. And this is just term 1, 2, 3, 4. Control X. Control V. And term 1, 2, 3, 4, it still works. And this is passing. Danger. Failing. Okay. So we have these calculations. You could do other calculations too. Why don't we actually take the average grade for the year. We'll copy that one. We don't necessarily, and this will be average grade. Once again, we want to wrap that average grade, and it should just fall in. Whoops. I'll go back and do that again. Sorry. Control C. Pop that right in. Control V. All right. And what happened here? So this did not. Oh, okay. I see. All right. So you notice when we put the average in, it went B4 to B13. All right. So instead, what we need to do is let's undo this. And see, this is still counting from the table. This one was not. So what we have to do instead is equal sign. All right, pop that in. Go over here. We'll reference this cell. You hit enter. Oops, you've got to put the parentheses in. Hold on. Escape. Equal sign. Perhaps this will not work. Let's see. Totals, term 1. There we go. Okay. And then we can just drag it across. Term 2, term 3, and it will give us all the information that we need right there. All right? Gives us those averages. We can go back and confirm them, 5964. And let's just switch these back to, whoops. We'll go back to, yeah, we can just leave it like that, I guess.